You hear that old saying, customer states? Well, today is one of those cases. Customer states the brakes don't work and I've got a slight knock. Hello, Amber.
Hiya.
What's going on?
I'd like a service on my bike, please.
Yeah?
Yeah. I use this bike to get to work all the time, and as you can see, it doesn't stop when you press the brakes. It just carries on.
It's so brakes are currently on full. It has absolutely no brakes.
Yeah.
You apply the brakes, please, and continue. Okay, and then the knock. Now I've identified the knock.
Just knocks when I ride.
Okay. Would you care to hold the bike still for me?
Oh.
No, that's something else broken. Right, hold the bike still, okay?
Yeah.
Knock number 1. The back wheel bearings
Wobbles a little, that's all.
are... Shut it, you. The back wheel is knackered.
There's a bit of mud on there as well.
Let's check the front wheel.
That one's alright.
Not as bad. Hold it still. Not as bad, but still play. So, front wheel bearings need probably a bit of adjusting. Rear ones need replacing.
It works. It works
Oh,
hard.
could you depress the suspension for me?
What does that mean?
By pushing down the handlebars to make sure the suspension, I mean the tyre is just, okay, so these are seized. Did you just put all your weight on it then?
Yeah.
Okay, and then lastly, the actual knock, well, if I straddle this back wheel and show you the crank, it's not supposed to do that.
Just tighten it up a bit.
So,
A bit of oil on there.
there's a saying, and it says, beyond economical repair. And this, not my wife, this here,
No, it isn't.
I think is beyond economical repair.
No, it's fine.
The cost for front and rear brakes, and then you've got your...
Tighten them up a bit.
Just tighten a bit. All right, I'll see what I can do.
Thank you.
So with your permission, can I pimp your ride?
Yeah, sure. But don't spend a load of money on it. Make it look the same.
I've got permission to pimp
You're not to
this
change
ride.
the bike. I like the bike.
I'm not allowed to change the bike,
Okay.
but I'm allowed to change components on the bike.
You could wash it.
First of all, yeah, wash it. So, when customers state something, typically, we should have maybe addressed this earlier, sooner.
I've been saying for months it's been making a knocking
In
noise.
Amber's defence, she has asked me to look at it, and I said, bring the bike back here, I'll take a look for you. And I've rode it here today, and it's a death trap. So,
Threw it in a hedge.
throw it in a hedge. So, Amber,
Yeah.
I'll look after you.
Thanks.
I'll get it sorted.
Thanks.
Gonna
It's
get
all
onto
yours.
eBay and buy a load of new stuff.
It's all yours.
It's gonna cost me a fortune. It'd be cheaper to go and buy a new bike.
I'll go in and make you tea, yeah?
But
Why is that? Oh,
Amber likes this bike, so
I've had this bike for a
Does
long,
it-
long time.
seat dropper post. Do some sick downhill.
No, I just want brakes.
Triple clamp forks.
Just brake
Single speed.
and tighten up the pedals a bit.
Yeah. Chain guard for when you're doing downhill.
No,
Yeah. Motor, electric motor.
that's a good bike, that.
It's good, solid.
It's seen me through many bridle path journeys.
That doesn't sound good. You better go treat to the kids, and I will start looking at parts. So, yeah, it looks like I got another project on. I didn't want another project right now. Thanks, Sam. Ah, the fun. Oh well. Right, so I think I've sorted a solution to alleviate all of these issues with this bike, and that's by supplying a different bike. She'll never know. So this is a bike I built, and I was gonna be selling it to a friend. I think he's got a different thing now. This was originally mine, 40-inch Merida. It's got single gears on the front and gears on the back. Very, very big hydraulic, what are they called? Calipers and brakes. They're I think they're Avid Juicy ones. Oh no. Elixir. Big wide handlebars. This would be perfect. I get her to ride it and see what she thinks. Right, I've sorted it. Just a little bit of TLC.
Sure.
There you go.
That's not my bike.
That is your bike.
No, it
I've
isn't.
just give it a wash.
That's not my bike.
Would you like to just give us a demo?
No, I don't want that. I want my bike.
This is your bike.
No, it
I've
isn't.
just spray painted
No,
it.
mine's purple.
No, this is rattle canned.
That's not my bike, is it, babe? That's my bike.
No, it's
You've
not.
hidden it behind a car.
Not over there. No, oh, that's someone else's bike.
That's my bike.
Give it a go.
No.
This will see you through on Tuesday when you get to work, or Wednesday.
I'm doing it Wednesday.
Go on, have a go.
It's temporary, right?
Temporary, yeah, sure.
Temporary bike.
Sure, unless you like it, and in which case it's not temporary then.
Alright. Oh, the brakes.
It's got, oh, the brakes are really, really good.
The saddle's not as comfy.
Now I can change that.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, these are really good brakes. That looks, do you know what, that looks perfect.
Nice that.
I think you should use this going forward.
It was. I like my bike.
Yeah, but this is,
Listen, all I asked was for you to fix my bike.
I fixed it.
No, this isn't my bike. Oh, then I'll use it just once, though. Just once for work. You know I'm going to go down a really muddy bridle path, though, right?
It's fine. This will
It's going
just,
to end up looking like that one.
it won't because you'll clean it.
No, I won't.
Beautiful that.
I won't clean it.
Lovely bike.
I
And
don't clean bikes.
if you wish,
Yeah.
this thing with new bearings, new gears,
Yeah.
new brakes, new tyres,
Yeah.
new gearing, mud flaps.
Where did you get it?
I've built this.
It looks like a lady's bike, though.
No, I built this.
Men's go straight.
This was a bike I've had for a number of years. It's a bit small for me. In fact, the first ride we ever went on, you was on Matty, your horse,
And you rode it.
and I was on this, and I looked like a monkey on a push bike.
It's not bad.
It's not
It's not bad. Prefer mine.
This is wonderful. So I've sorted it.
Uh-huh.
You got yourself a new mountain bike.
I'll try it on Wednesday.
The only thing I would say is
Yeah.
it does have to be locked up at night, and a suspension on it as well.
Yeah, that's why I like that one, because you can believe that. No one's going to steal that.
No one will steal this. Try the suspension out. Look at that. Whoa! Look at that.
I don't think mine's ever done that.
No, because it was rubbish to start.
It wasn't.
But that,
I bet you have to pay for that.
that's a lovely thing. I think we just sorted it. Look at this. Look at this face of happiness because she's got a new bike. She's got a new bike. She's got a new bike.
Why did you fix my bike?
I fixed it.
No, you haven't.
That is the
I'm going in, I'm
that's the
trying to
perfect
make a
fix.
curry. Take this, I'm trying to make a curry.
Look at that, lovely.
Right.
Don't drop it.
No,
Please
put
don't drop
back.
it.
You didn't drop it, babe. Not for the mini.
Have you ever seen a grown man cry?
There you go. Right, I'm going in.
Beautiful. See ya.
Time to pray.
Sorted. Sorted it, and I. Everyone's happy. That's going to the scrap.